inside my head.
Baby, I need you in my life, in my life. Please, babe, don't go switch his eyes, switch his eyes. I swear this is where you reside, you reside. Please, babe, don't go switch his eyes.
Hello everyone, my name is Casey and this is my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be a get ready with me. So this is the first get ready with me of 2018, and it's the makeup that I did. I'm super happy with the look. I'm so excited to show y'all how I completed it. So if you want to see how I did my makeup, then keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm just gonna apply some Carmex because this stuff is good for this chapped lips because it's 40 degrees outside. I'm in Florida and I am sick, so yeah. Luna, I don't know why she is there. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids with, of course, my MAC Soft Ochre. The first time I'm putting on makeup since like a week. I've been so sick, and I'm still sick, and it's been like a week, so. Okay, I'm gonna set my eyelids with the Bare Minerals eyeshadow in Queen Phyllis Matte. So I'm just gonna be using, of course, the Morphe palette. I don't really know, I wanna go for like a pink look because there's a lot of like pretty hot pinks in this palette. I think I'm gonna take, I got these eyeshadow brushes. Ooh, and some of these are really nice. Like this one is so nice. Look how cute these are too. Yeah. And I'm gonna go in with pretty shade, the very first one. I think it's, it's Universal. So we'll see how this blends out. That's nice. Let me get a mirror. This is an amazing brush. Okay, so now we have like that color on there. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna go in with this red or pink. It's in the color Fire. Focus it in my crease. Wow, that is so bright. Holy crap. Ow, that's like literally, that's hot pink. Oh my jeez, I used such a little amount. Oh my lord. Okay, it doesn't look bad, It just, shocked me a little. I'm doing the same look for like, since I did that video of my holiday glam. I'm doing that eyeshadow look every day since, like, so I'm trying to like switch it up because I know y'all don't want to see that look again. And now I'm gonna go in with this dark color. It's that one. It's in the Heat. So I guess we're going for a red look. Now I'm not sure what glitter to use, or if I should even use glitter, because like gold won't look good with this, but pink won't either. I'm here for it. I think I'm going to like add some like brown or something. I don't really know. I want to go in with this shade. And this is in Terracotta. So this is nice. So hopefully warm, add some brown to this very, it's a terracotta, so it's like a red. But hopefully it adds some darkness. Oh, it definitely added some darkness. Yeah, the thing I like about makeup is that I can just like improvise with eyeshadow. I definitely need to go back with my transition because I always use the Soft Ochre. Now I'm gonna take it. I think I'm gonna take it with my finger. Really pretty. But I think I'm gonna have to take it with a brush, and I want to take it with I'm gonna spray my brush. Oh my jeez, she's insane. Cause it's just like kind of hard. So this color, it is the color Pure. And now I need another brush. I'm just gonna take Tempera from the Modern Renaissance. I'll use either of these, I don't know. I'm probably gonna go with these. I did my eyelashes and this one's drying right now. I just did it, but oh my god, y'all. I love these eyelashes. I've been looking for eyelashes like this and I didn't even know they're gonna like look this good on. And I'm like, they're so pretty. So now I'm just gonna add some mascara. So yeah, I'm so happy with these eyelashes. They look so good. I cut them good. This one's a little bit longer, but y'all really can't tell. Like, y'all really can't tell. My forehead's been breaking out so bad. Got this fake beauty blender. I wanted to try it out, and it feels just like the real one. So I recommend it. It's from Shop Miss A. So if you're looking for a good dupe, I was gonna give it to my mom, but I like it a lot, so I'm gonna get her one. But when I get money, because I've spent over like $130 in makeup in like a week, so I really can't afford to buy any more things. Like, I wish I could. I never told y'all guys that I had gotten my first YouTube paycheck last week. I forgot to tell y'all, so because thank y'all so much, because without y'all I would not be getting my first paycheck. So thanks y'all. And now I'm gonna conceal with this. Hopefully I'm gonna get a job soon, because I'm gonna start applying. I already started applying, but I'm gonna start applying more to more places. My mom, like, some things been going on, so she can't really take me anywhere. I don't have my license yet. I have my permit, so I gotta practice. I'm practicing my driving more so I can get my license, because I got my permit in February, so I can technically get my license in February. But my mom said I can only get my license if I have a job, so that's that. I'm gonna set my face with some powder. The rim will stay matte. Some contour. Y'all see me do contour 100 times. Like, I've been so into blush too. I've been getting into every like makeup. Like, I love makeup. I love makeup. So this palette is great, but I'm probably gonna be using this shimmery blush. And I'm gonna do my highlight. Y'all already know what I use for my highlight. I've been doing this for a minute. It's this, the AOA Studio Wonder Baked highlighter in the color Cream Puff. It's also from Shop Miss A, and it is amazing. Only looks good if you wet the brush, though. I love contouring my nose. Highlighting my nose. It looks so cute. I don't highlight my forehead anymore. I used to do it all the time, but it just like distinguishes my acne is like more distinguished with it. So, girl, now let me spray my face. Oh damn, girl, you look good. I gotta do some mascara on my lower lid or my lower eyelashes. I got the lip product. It's the NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. My all-time favorite lip product ever. So yeah, let me just, you know, give some volume to my hair. Damn, girl, you look good. Holy crap. I'm just like, girl, like, I'm not trying to be conceited, but like, oh, I look good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs the video if you didn't. Comment down below any requests, and always please subscribe to follow me on my YouTube journey. I'll link it down below and stay tuned for more videos. Bye, loves.